Tip 1. Understand your audience. The first tip is to understand who the ad is targeted at, that is, fellow students, parents, or school community. Knowing your audience will guide you in determining what type of content will engage them, the language to use, the colors that they would love, even the kind of graphic images to use. Being in tune with your audience will increase the chances of your ad being effective and appreciated. Tip 2. Include a persuasive call to action. An ad without a clear call to action may not achieve its intended goal. A persuasive and clear call to action directs the reader on what to do after reading your ad. It could be something as simple as asking them to come to a certain event or getting them to donate to a senior class project. Tip 3. Maintain a consistent theme. When designing yearbook ads, it's crucial to maintain a consistent theme that represents the senior class's identity. This could range from matching the school colors to incorporating a running joke or senior class motto. A persistent theme helps embed the ad in the viewer's memory and increases the chances of its message getting across. Tip 4. Employ quality graphics and images. Visuals are an integral part of any ad. It's what attracts the viewer initially. Therefore, your ad should have high-quality, clear, and relevant graphics and images. This will not only make your ad appealing, but also promote the professionalism and value of the content underneath. Tip 5. Use appropriate text. While images and graphics catch the viewer's eye, the text delivers the message. Therefore, ensure you use clear, concise, and relevant text. Avoid crowding your ad with too much information. Simplicity is the key. The text should be large enough to read, but not so big as it overpowers the visuals. Tip 6. Highlight special moments. Yearbook ads for seniors can serve as a means of immortalizing memorable moments. Including pictures or mentions of such moments helps to evoke a sense of nostalgia and capture the spirit of the year. This can also serve to engage the audience and make the ad more personal and relatable. Tip 7. Incorporate humor. Humor has a way of making content memorable and appealing. Subtly infusing humor into your ad can make it stand out. However, ensure the humor is suitable for all and doesn't come off as offensive. Tip 8. Review and proofread. Before finalizing your ad, proofread to catch any errors or inconsistencies. Errors in text, visuals, or design can detract from the ad's overall quality and message. Tip 9. Aim for originality. While looking at common yearbook ad templates may help get you started, strive to make your ad original and uniquely representative of your senior class. This uniqueness will surely make the ad stand out and leave a lasting impression on viewers. Tip 10. Request feedback. Before publishing, consider getting feedback from various people. This could be fellow students, parents, or staff. They will be able to provide a fresh perspective and possibly point out improvements you may have overlooked. Tip 11. Time management. Ad designing can take longer than you anticipate, so starting early might be beneficial. This will provide enough time to consider several designs, collect images, write and rewrite texts, and receive necessary feedback. A well-planned ad will certainly be more effective and appreciated than a hastily put together one.